Hi guys, so I'll show you this one guys. This is the potato here in the Philippines. This is from local. I bought it from a friend that's selling this veggie in sayote. As you can see, it's a green one. We have this in Australia, but I forget what's the name. I think maybe it's the same name like sayote. And here guys, so you're gonna stir fry with any meat or just stir fry itself, the veggie. So, nalutuan na to guys ng, ewan ko kung anong, mga 6 siguro to. But ito na lang yung tatlo ang na habilin. And this is the potatoes. It's the same in the market. It's just, they're not really like brushed potatoes, but they're good. And it's 65 kilo per veggie, like 65 this one, and 65 siguro mga $2 something in Australian money. And this is it. This is the looks. Ayan. And we're gonna make some mashed potato next day. Ayan. And yeah, very guapa guys, no? Guapa. And thank you sa nagbaligyan ni kay barato ra ba? Ito sa barato guys, diba? Oh, diba? Okay. Alright guys, kain muna ako guys ng breakfast. So I have a banana cue dito guys and coffee, and this is my coffee that I'm drinking. Original na Nescafe, and ito din na ito niya. So nag-ano si Papa Mario? Cutting the trees guys. Papa Mario is my uncle-in-law. It's my auntie's husband. They're cutting trees kasi makaano guys, sa budbot, sa signal. Oh. Kuhain na lang na payo, kay kanang mura ko pamanggod na. Ipuso na sa full, ito sloyo. Makahoy manikul. Lagi maghinay gud kay. Ayun na lang usa. Kanang usa ko dili na lang ako no. Aw. Maghinay lang ha kay. Nagisensay kus bawal. Hala, ubi din na na may katay unta. Dili. Batang. Kabayo daan. Ang kabayo ko eh. Ay. Hey guys, good day, and today is I'm in the bedroom guys, as you can see. So I look bit luya, bit tired because I slept late last night, like 1 a.m. and because we prepare our food, and we had a preparation for the recipe that we're gonna cook today, but we already cooked. We cooked biko, pancit, just grilled fish, fried fish, pancit with little bit of pork, because I don't really big fan of pork anymore, so I want like a little bit long, just for them. And then we did cook gisado na manok. This is a Bisaya food, and like we've been cooking outside, just like when you cook here in the province, we cook outside using the wood and just outside at the back of the house. Since wala pa kami dirty kitchen guys, magpagawa pa kami guys ng dirty kitchen, and so this is like our bonding time with them, because it's only like maybe a week na lang na uwi na ako guys back sa Australia, and mamiss ko sila. But yeah, around the house guys, it's not finished yet, but we're getting we're getting we're getting okay. So there's some improvements, but I'm gonna have a dirty kitchen to put soon, and just using the leftover materials like the good stuff. It's still leftover, but they're so good, so we're gonna use it, like the tiles, some of the wood, and some of the hardy flex. And if you've been building a house, you know what I'm talking about. And like leftover nails or whatever leftover na pipes yung gagamitin namin. And what else? It's just at the back of our house because I like it at the back, guys, yung kusina, a dirty kitchen. So we have kitchen inside the house, but I want to have kitchen at the back of the house, which is outside, and just closer to the garden. So para pag if you spill the water, or like the water that is used from the dishes, it goes straight away to the garden. So yeah, all good. And yeah, my family is here, mainly just my siblings, my grandma, my aunties, and uncles, and my cousins. They're still kids, like teenagers. So yeah, and I'm here in the bedroom because I'm trying to sleep. I drink maybe 2 glasses of beer, and I fall asleep already since I wake up early and I sleep late, but all good. And my mister is okay naman dun sa amin, guys, Australia, and all good. And I'll see you next few days when I go to the airport. And just quick update lang, but I didn't show you how we cook the Filipino food. But next time, guys, when I'm really like feel na ako nga mag-vlog, like this time I didn't really plan to vlog this time, but I wanna make a video at the same time, so I have this memories with them too, and because it will be a while I can see them again. And yeah, magtigo muna, guys, next time. But yeah, so yeah, ito yung mukha natin. Hindi pa ako naligo, guys. Alright, yeah, see you next time. See you. At sal na puti daw kay walay kuan. Walay labutang og guys, soy sauce. So kaya this is the looks, kain tayo. Doon niya ilan-lain ang take baso.
Ano lang? Wala ko ah. Patungo sa... No, ayaw, hindi ko mag-break.
Good evening, people. So I have a lansones here, guys. So I don't know what you call it in English, but this is the lansones. Bisa lansones rin gyapon. Basta lansones na, guys. And this is avocado here in the Philippines too. They're small. And I got Coca-Cola here na soft drinks.